Hey traders, TG Watkins here. It is November 11th when we're recording this. I hope you guys are having a great time out there. This market is absolutely on fire. You do need to be in the right names though, and I wanted to show you we now have had our second position, and this is stock only. We've had our second position now reach over 100% gain since we originally got in it. And for us, it's Tesla. Of course, you know, that name's been going through the roof, but we bought the leveraged ETF of Tesla, and so that is TSLL. Let me get over there real quick. And if you come over here to TSLL, you can see the original place that we got into it was down here at about $11, and we're up here at over $22. And you can see that from our original entry right there, 113% is what we were up. Now add to it Reddit. So Reddit, we originally got into here something around $57 or so, and you can see now, well, it went up to 140%. I guess it closed today at about 124%. So that is our other name that is doing well. Now we've got a big list of other names that we've been in and how things are going. So we're having a great time. This market is fantastic. The small caps are running. We've got a lot of names that are really doing well, even names that are popping up on earnings. So Toast is one of them. We got in here at about $28, and it's just screaming away at $32. And then we even have another one, AFRM. We had to handle just a little bit through earnings, but now it's also screaming up here, and it's up 17, 18%. So yeah, this market's doing great. And hey, don't forget about Bitcoin. We've got Bitcoin and Bitcoin miners that were gapping up today. So across the board, we were having a great time and really enjoying how this market is going. So guys, again, this is 2020 vibes. I do think it's going to be lasting a little bit longer than 4 months, which is what happened back in 2020. And so I think this is going to be a really good time, a really great environment. The IWM is making new highs all the way from back to 2020. So you guys need to be in this market. And if you're kind of curious how to get into it, come over to the Simpler Trading and find me over at the Moxie Indicator and come join our room, because boy, we're having a great time. You know, this is the kind of stuff that we really want to make sure that we are aggressive about. And so yeah, we're taking this as strongly as we can, and now we have two positions that have gone over 100%. So we have doubled our money using just stocks on a couple of these names. Imagine if you're using options, if you guys are into that. Okay, this is a really great market for this kind of stuff. Hope to see you in the room, and we'll catch you guys later. Thanks again.
Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.